In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send voice messages in Gmail. While Gmail doesn't include a built-in voice messaging tool, you can still add voice notes to your emails by using a third-party extension or add-on. One popular option is an integration like Vocal for Gmail, which places a recording button right inside your Compose window so you can capture and send audio without leaving Gmail. This is a simple way to add context, tone, and personality when text alone isn't enough. Start by installing a Chrome extension or Gmail add-on that supports voice recording. Once it's installed, open Gmail on your desktop or mobile device and sign in as usual. The first time you use it, your browser may ask for permission to access your microphone. Allowing that is essential so your audio is captured clearly. After installation, open a new email draft and you should notice a small microphone icon near the send button. That icon is your voice recording control. When you're ready to record, click the microphone icon. Speak clearly and at a steady pace, and try to be in a quiet space to reduce background noise. Hold the microphone at a consistent distance if you're using an external mic, and keep your message focused so the recipient can quickly understand your main point. When you finish speaking, stop the recording using the on-screen control provided by the add-on. Most tools will clearly show that your recording is processing before it's attached. After you stop recording, your voice message will automatically attach to the email as an MP3 file. You'll see it appear below the subject line, just like any other attachment. Click the playback button to listen and check the volume, clarity, and overall flow. If you hear background noise or you forgot to mention something important, simply delete that attachment, click the microphone icon again, and re-record until you're happy with the result. This quick review step helps ensure your message sounds professional and easy to understand. Once you're satisfied with your audio, finalize your email as you normally would. Add your recipient, subject, and any supporting text in the body to provide context for your voice note. Then click Send. The recipient won't need any special app or plug-in to listen. The MP3 attachment plays on virtually all devices and email clients, making it a convenient option for sharing your voice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.